Hey, Pastor Tom.
Hey, John.
So, what kind of ice cream treat are we gonna try this week?
I don't... you know what I want? I want a flurry.
A flurry? What's a flurry?
Oh, come on, John, you know. It's where they take ice cream, and then they add some kind of candy topping to it, then they blend them all together.
Oh, you mean a blizzard.
A blizzard? No, I mean a flurry. Come on, the little ice cream shop down the street down there, that's what they call them, a flurry.
Dairy Queen calls them blizzards, and I think she outranks your little ice cream man.
Okay, fine. A blizzard. Then I want a blizzard. I want a blizzard with Butterfingers.
No.
Yes, I do.
No, you will not have one with Butterfingers. You will have one with Oreos.
But I don't want Oreos. I want Butterfingers.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I want Butterfingers.
Then you will go on your own without me. I won't eat with someone who doesn't want an Oreo blizzard.
Flurry.
Blizzard.
Okay, listen, John. Look, do you know why Dairy Queen, in all of its infinite wisdom, offers choice toppings like Oreos, Butterfingers, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Heath bars, and all that?
No.
It's because Dairy Queen knows that we're all different. See, some people like Butterfingers and some like Oreos. It doesn't mean that you're right or wrong. It just simply means that we're different. We like different things.
I never thought about it that way.
You know what? God has made us all different, and He loves us all. God wants us all to love each other in spite of our differences. He wants me to love you, Mr. Oreo, and He wants you to love me.
You're right. I'm sorry, Pastor Tom. I was so hard on you. Come on, let me buy you a Butterfinger flurry.
Nah. Make it a M&M's.
But I thought you said you like Butterfingers.
What? What? Can a guy change his mind?